Thank you, Deputy Speaker. And I rise today in strong support of this motion celebrating the 40th anniversary of Medicare, one of Australia's most transformative government programs. I want to thank the member for Solomon for bringing this to the House today. Medicare enshrined access to healthcare as a right for all Australians, regardless of income or background or where they live. Its legacy is one of compassion, fairness and equity in the provision of healthcare services. And as we celebrate Medicare's 40th birthday this year, it is important to acknowledge the extraordinary individuals and teams that continue to exemplify Medicare's promise through their own dedication and innovation. The Stronger Medicare Awards celebrate primary healthcare professionals across the country who go above and beyond to enhance the health and well-being of Australians. And I'm very proud today to acknowledge two recipients of that award from my electorate, who were honoured for their outstanding service to healthcare. I want to congratulate Dr Andrew Palferman and Next Practice Canberra for their contributions to caring for our community. Dr Palferman has shown unwavering dedication to the health of his patients, especially in times of crisis. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he took the extraordinary step of setting up a temporary building in his practice's car park. This innovative measure allowed for the safe treatment of infectious patients while simultaneously facilitating critical vaccination clinics for the community. But Dr Palferman's commitment goes far beyond his practice walls and car park. He works with Canberra's Chat to Pat service, which is a bus that brings healthcare to vulnerable and homeless Canberrans, exemplifying Medicare's ethos of inclusive, compassionate care. Next Practice Canberra has similarly demonstrated the gold standard of patient care, and I was really pleased to meet Dr Paresh Daughter and Hema Daughter at the awards from Next Practice. This practice delivers multidisciplinary, individualised and coordinated care to people with complex and chronic needs. Among its patients are hundreds of individuals in residential aged care, those who are housebound, people with disabilities and patients with palliative care needs. By forming integrated practice units comprising GPs, nurses, nurse practitioners, patient advocates, pharmacists, social workers and a range of other specialists, Next Practice stands as a beacon of holistic, compassionate and team-based care. Their work is a testament to what can be achieved when healthcare professionals collaborate to meet the diverse needs of our communities. I'd also like to acknowledge Gareth Wilden from Capital Chemist, who was a finalist for the Stronger Medicare Awards. As a co-owner of Capital Chemist at the University of Canberra, Gareth has made a significant contribution to breaking down barriers for vulnerable and marginalised communities in Canberra. He collaborates with local organisation Meridian to deliver free vaccinations for people living with or affected by HIV, the LGBTIQ+ community and people at enhanced risk of HIV and STIs. Through the Sex Worker Outreach Program, Gareth also provides vital vaccinations at workplaces, ensuring accessibility and safety for a vulnerable group within our community. This commitment to breaking down barriers is exactly what Medicare represents, healthcare that is accessible and inclusive for everyone. Deputy Speaker, all of us in this House have the deepest respect and gratitude to all healthcare professionals who tirelessly work to keep our communities healthy. Their efforts embody the fundamental belief that it is in your Medicare card, not your credit card, which guarantees quality healthcare. Medicare was a Labor innovation and Labor will always act to improve Medicare and to keep it strong. Whether it be the biggest investment in bulk billing in Medicare's history, the establishment of 87 Medicare urgent care clinics around the nation, the introduction of 60-day dispensing and cheaper medicines, and our commitment to significantly increase funding for our public hospitals. Labor is the party of universal health care, the party of Medicare. We're the party of a healthier Australia. And happy birthday, Medicare.